Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm back in the workshop and the subject is same, VR6 swap is going on, and today we are speaking about the cooling system and the brake system, installing some parts. All the parts are on the table right now, and already one part is installed. It's a steering pump behind me. And yeah, we will speak about that later. And if you are liking my project, liking my videos and want to give some support to me, then please subscribe, leave a comment, leave a feedback what you think about this build. All this kind of stuff helps me a lot as a content creator, and I can make better videos for you. Okay. Let's see some parts what we start installing today. We have here some parts what we are installing today. I little bit speak about them. So here we have crack pipe and thermostat housing. All this is from Audi TT, like the engine. And here we need to make some changes. We need to change this one, because TT and other Volkswagen and other what don't have the longitudinal engine, they have all the water connections in one side. So I did buy this detail. It's from 3.2 Volkswagen Touareg. The phaeton one, the phaeton don't use this one. Phaeton have the same system. We need to change this because here goes to the coolant pipe, what delivers the coolant to the passenger side of the car. I will show you that later. We will change this part and install the crack pipe and thermostat housing. Okay, so I had a small problem with brakes because this car had a 2.0 engine. So this brake booster is from 2.6 engine and this is from 2.0 engine. What is the difference? Difference is easy. Like you see, this one has a longer tube and this one has a lower. So this 2.6 one, the booster is more closer to the firewall, and we need that because it will hit the intake manifold. So we are using 2.6 adapter and 2.6 brake booster. So what else? So I wanna install big brakes. I think I will install in front E38 Brembos. This is original master cylinder, like you see, and I will install this one. It's from Volkswagen Transporter, and it's plug and play to Audi B4. What is difference? It's a little bit longer, but that's not the main reason. In the original one, the brake piston in here is 22.4 millimeters, and in here it's 25.4 millimeters. So it will feed big brakes. Let's install these parts. Now I will show you the steering pump system. So this steering pump is from 3.2 phaeton, and the bracket is also 3.2 as you remember, so it's direct fitment. So this is original hose from Audi V4, and it did fit. The bolt size is same. I did open the bolt on steering rack, did rotate little bit, and this hose did fit. So I think it's pretty nice. So here I need to add also one hose what connects to here. so it's also not the hard part. But right now I think let's change this thermostat cover to the direct one, and let's install thermostat housing and crack pipe. Right now I am removing old thermostat cover. Here you can see how different these thermostat covers are, and you can't install them wrong because they fit only one way. First we'll install a crack pipe. It's a really tight fitment. Next step is heat exchanger hoses, what needs to be installed, and then you can install a heat exchanger. Now I'm connecting a crack pipe with thermostat housing, and after that I can bolt thermostat housing to cylinder head. Cooling system is done. Now time for brake booster and master cylinder. First let's fit the brake booster. installed, and I show you the closer. So crack pipe here, and this cooler all connected, and thermostat housing connected. So here is this connection what connects with this coolant pipe. It comes under the exhaust manifolds to here, the passenger side radiator mounting. I also did install one day this heat shield. It's the original one. I really like this. It looks really nice here, and I think it works nice also, so the heat can't come to upside. Okay, so brakes and vacuum booster also installed. I will install intake manifold, and then you will see why these measures and all was so important. So intake manifold is installed. Like you see, everywhere is some gaps here, and it fits nicely. I don't know yet do I use this system or not, but it will work even if I use it. So I like it. The engine looks more complete now, and I hope my package will arrive soon and we can start doing exhaust and air intake and some that kind of stuff. This was a little bit more detailed video. I hope you like this, and if you want that I make more videos like this, then leave a comment. And like I speak about the beginning of the video, if you like my videos, leave a comment what you think. Please subscribe so that more people can see this project. And see you in the next video. Bye!